Hey, how's it going? This is Michael Cruz from succeedwithmichael.com, and there's a good chance you want to know if making money online is easier than what you think. Well, it's only easier if you have the two things in place that I'm going to share with you in this video. So stay tuned. Coming right up. Okay, let's get down to it. So before I share with you the two things you need to start making money online, the easier way, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit that bell notification. That way you don't miss out on my upcoming, money making tips. And let me go ahead and get right to it. So there's two things that you need to start making money online, right? Super simple. So the first thing is the right mindset. And what I mean by mindset is you need to know your why. Why are you doing this? Why you want to make money online? Who else will benefit from this? Because knowing why you're doing something is going to keep you focused, and it's going to, keep you there long enough so you can start seeing the results, right? If you didn't know what you want, if you did something without having any intention behind it, you're not gonna stay. You're not gonna stay long enough to see the results, to see the, to see the progress, to see, uh, to really get your, get your share of harvest, right? So you wanna know why you're doing something. That's the first thing. So know your mindset. For me, I started my journey making money online because I wanted to be there for my wife, right? I wanted to be there for my loved ones. I wanted to really better our life. I was in a job that was draining, my life force. So I truly went to Google and searched for ways that I can make money because I wanted to change my life. And now I'm able to be there for my wife. I'm able to do this from the comfort of my home or from anywhere in the world because the internet has revolutionized everything, how you really, earn income, right? And I love doing this. I'm passionate. That's why I'm sharing this with you right now. And then, so that's the first thing. You need to have the right mindset. You need to know why you're doing it. The second thing you need is the right system in place. Now, a system is that component that is going to help you. Pretty much is going to give you the freedom of not being stuck to your computer, right? If you hear people making money online while they sleep, making money online while they're traveling, making money online while they're even maybe they're working a second job and they're making money online on the side. Whatever the case it is, it's because they have a system in place. This is what allows you to do this part time. And with a system in place, you can actually earn money, make money while you're learning because the system, by following a few steps, the system, all you do is pretty much drive traffic into the system because the system is set up it's set up in a way that is going to help you earn income. So all you got to do is just drive visitors to that system and let the system do its work, right? And it doesn't get any easier than that. So, but a lot of people struggle with finding that what that right system is. Now, if you're looking for if you're looking for a system to start making money online that's going to allow you to achieve freedom in your life, it's going to allow you to make money while you sleep. Let me share with you my number one recommendation. I left you, go ahead and get more info below this video. I left you the link to that right system. So that way you can actually get access to the same system I use and thousands of other people are using to start. So you can start making money online as well. Again, I hope you got value from this. This is Michael Dela Cruz, and leave me your comments below. And if you really want to start your journey in making money online like I am, go ahead and click the link below, get more info, and I'll see you on the inside. Thank you for tuning in. See you in the next video.